What happens when you go out alone again? Hmm? What did you pack in your lunch?
I packed
Yakult?
two Yakults, one for Chico, one for me, one ship, and Chico one ship bottle, then me bottle two.
Hmm.
For the mom, that's true.
How about an extra shirt?
Extra strip, which no need.
No need. What if you get wet from playing? Huh?
We could,
You will go.
one mom could run.
Chico, you will be dirty.
We could run like that. Now the pocket cup. I need some cold water. I want to switch.
Why? Speak properly. You're thirsty? Water? Here in the cabinet. That's enough. Three, two, one, go.
Hi guys, today we are going to the playroom and it's going to be so
One by one.
for us to one outside so fast, one right there.
What did you do this morning that made mommy mad?
We went outside by ourselves.
Exactly.
But mom, we didn't see any dogs.
Calvi, going outside alone is already wrong. And what made mommy mad? Is it safe to go out alone?
No, mom.
No. Next time, what will you do?
We stayed.
We stay and wait for who? For people to walk with you. You understand? It's not safe, anak. Sometimes there are cars moving around. Not so, Chico. And Chico, what did you do that made mama angry?
Mama was letting me go out. No, mom. It's not my fault. It's just lying. It's not me.
Chico, what's the truth?
It's really the truth.
Chico,
Mom.
who was making you go out of the house?
No, Calbi. No, it's not me, Mommy. Yes, it's you. No, it's not.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay now, but don't do it again anymore, okay? Oh, they don't accept people crying in the playroom. Wipe your tears.
Mommy, it's because really cheating.
I know, I understand. Okay, enough na. Next time, don't do it.
I'm used to the one who's making us bad.
No?
No, Mom, it's because you
Calvi, did I say that you go out of the house alone? So do not speak those things when it's not true.
But Mom, you said thank you. That's what you said.
Thank you, Calvi, for not doing it again, yes? Are we doing it again? No, I'm still sleeping. You wake me up when you are already in your going out clothes. Where were you going? Ngi. Marupod kayo. Tulog pa gani ko, nakailis na. You were going out with me. Who told you that you can go out with me? Because I did not say that.
Because love you so much.
Asos! Atik na po ka ha. Next time ha. Only today, okay? Only today, I'll take you to the playroom, ha? Do you understand? Kasi huwag mo, mag-ilis na po mo.
Then we go to the playroom.
The season is rainy, Calby. When the teacher asks, Calby, what season is this?
It's rain, but Mama go to school.
Speak properly, not to.
Mom, after we were almost free.
Speak properly, calm down. Go. Go. You're done speaking?
No, that's you.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Come here. It's what?
Both sides, Mom. So gonna hold hands fast.
Chico?
Mama,
Up. You know where it is? Up, careful. Stigid siya pailob. Alright. This way. To the right. This way, this way.
Nico, I'm going to run. I'm going to run. The playroom. Hi. Thank you.
Okay, you do your own thing. Put your own thing where it should be. Calby and Chico's things together. Shoes inside the box.
Mom.
No need to help Chico. Chico knows what to do. Wait first. Wait first. We have to pay. Okay. Chico, sit down and remove your shoes. Chico, sit down and remove your shoes. Another one.
No.
Very nice shoes, Chico. Hop. Put in the box. Up inside the box. Box. Here. No? Here. Beside Calby's shoes. Where's Calby's shoes? Exactly. Put Calby's hat properly. Oh, here on the top. Wow. Bye-bye. Have fun. Go inside. Go inside. Ah. Hello guys! Andito tayo ngayon sa Mayumi and nag-selfie mode ako ng video kasi matagal kong hindi nagawa to na mag-selfie mode. At baka nagtataka kayo kung bakit ako titig na titig sa inyo sa camera kasi in my experience sa vlogging ay kapag tinitingnan ko yung sarili ko habang nagbablog, sobrang weird. So dito tayo nakatitig mismo sa maliit na bilog na camera para feel nyo naman na magkausap tayo ng harap-harapon. So ngayon guys, ganito yung difference. Pag pinapanood ko yung sarili ko habang nagva-vlog, ganito siya. Ayan. So hindi masyadong connected sa inyo, 'di ba? Unlike kapag nakaganito tayo. So minsan nakikita nyo medyo nadidistract ako. Iba yung tinitingnan ko kasi nadidistract po ako sa sarili kong mukha. Pero, ganyan po talaga yung dapat. So, sa mga mahilig or mga gustong mag-vlog, it's better to look at the camera while talking. I know para kang tanga, pero ghost lang. So, anyway guys, nagkaroon tayo ng good news ngayong araw. Ayan, merong bumili sa ating mga na-live kahapon. Maraming bumili. At meron kaming isang client guys na halos parang malapit 20 pieces na dress yung binili niya. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung kanyang napili. Shoutout natin kay Ma'am Joyce. Huwag na nating basahin yung apelyido. So, si Ma'am Joyce, bumili po siya ng maraming items. I believe this is personal. Nagandahan siya sa dress natin. So, syempre, eto guys, sinasabi ko sa inyo lagi na etong Vietnam padded maxi dress natin ay isa sa aming bestseller dahil ang ganda po ng quality niya. Also, yesterday, all our live Thailand Bangkok dresses were at 790 pesos only. Free shipping pag nakatatlong item dahil sa ating Father's Day month, the whole month ng June promotion. So lahat ng aming dress kahapon na nakita sa live, instead na 990, it's 790 pesos. So nag-order din si Ma'am Joyce ng code lines o yung plain. Meron siyang in-order tatlong kulay, powder blue, etong ating sandalwood at etong ating white. Maraming salamat ulit Ma'am Joyce for this. And then, nag-order din si Ma'am Joyce nitong aming napakagandang collection ng MIG Thailand. So once again, may nagsabi sa akin, Ma'am, bakit po walang Thailand na tag? Guys, wala mang Thailand na tag yung mga items namin. God knows our heart that we are being honest to you na yung mga items namin ay galing mismo sa Bangkok, Thailand. Okay? Ang ibang supplier namin merong mga tag. Ang ibang supplier namin from Bangkok, Thailand walang tag. But it doesn't change the fact that our things are all from Bangkok, Thailand. Hindi po tayo katulad ng mga ibang seller na nagki-claim na Bangkok, Thailand yung kanilang item pero dito lang galing sa Pilipinas. Okay? For me, my items are from Bangkok, Thailand. Maybe next time when our boxes come from Bangkok, Thailand, guys, videohan ko pa para makita ninyo. So, ang dami niyang in-order na mid. Yung kahapon, yung mga faces ng babae. Ang dami niyang in-order guys, in different color. Ayan. Lahat to. Ayan, lahat yan. Lahat to guys. Ayan, lahat yan in-order ni Ma'am Joyce. Maraming salamat Ma'am Joyce. And the quality of this MIG brand is Italian silk. So maraming salamat once again. Alright. Pasa. Nadala ko lang i-file later. Sige lang, mag-ano lang para mag-recycle. Alright guys, time check natin. Alas 11 pasado na po. And kami ni Miss Giselle ay nandito sa Mayumi dahil ang daming benta kahapon. Alhamdulillah. At ngayon ay magsasabit kami ng mga bago naming stocks. At mag-i-encode kami ng mga ilalabas namin na stocks. So far, so good. Organized yung aming accounting, yung aming sales, yung aming margin, yung capital. So, I'm very happy kasi sobrang madali namin nakikita ni Miss Giselle yung takbo ng negosyo. Ganun talaga guys. If you want to learn the business, you learn from the very bottom. Mas maganda kung sa pinakamababa ka na responsibilidad mag-start kesa sa diretso kang CEO. Diretso CEO. So, ngayon yung mga binubuksan ko ay itong ating mga Vietnam maxi padded with pockets na mga dress. Sobrang pretty. Chiffon pero ang ganda ng tela. Makapal. Makapal pa sa mukha ng humihingi ng pera na may asawa. Gosh, ang ganda nitong yellow tulip shell. Ang ganda. Wala na kami guys sa Vietnam. Ito na lang. Konti na lang talaga. Sell no? Last stock na natin to. Ibang style na kami. So, i-recheck ko to sa peddler. Kung ilan na lang talaga, bilangin ko yung nasa hanger. Alam nyo guys, nakadagdag ako ng 100 na hangers. Ngayong week lang. O, yung ganda ni Maria ha. Available pa ba si Maria? Mag-reels tayo nito ngayon eh. Ang ganda. Lahat ng bumili sa amin ng aming Vietnam padded maxi, sobrang natuwa sila guys. Ginamit nila sa mga event, sa mga party, sa mga gala nila, OOTD, travel. Sobra silang natuwa. Kaya maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik sa Mayumi Thailand Closet. Nag-aantay ng aming pagkain for lunch kasi ang ginagawa namin, nagluluto na lang kami ng kanin tapos umu-order kami ng gulay sa labas. Ako muna ay magla-live ng pantulog dahil ngayon ay bed weather. Ang sarap matulog dahil maulan-ulan. So when I am selling, I try to model off the item kasi iba pa din pag nakita ng tao na suot mo. So ngayon, I am going to wear this one and then I'll be on live sa aking Facebook page. Kaya I'll see you there. Alright, lunchtime na namin sa Mayumi guys. Lagi ko naman kayong kinikwentuhan kung ano yung lunch namin. Ngayon ay lauoy. Or, hindi ko alam sa Ilocano anong tawag. Basta sa amin dito, Bisaya, lauoy. And then, meron kaming adobong talong na may itlog. So, bon appetit. Ayun na yung kanin namin. Aray ko. Okay. So, nakaugalian namin dito sa Mayumi na habang kumakain kami ng lunch, nanonood kami ng Jessica Soho Reports. Jessica Soho, baka naman ma-feature mo kami dyan kahit isang beses lang. So, kakain muna kami guys. So, lunch break muna ang Mayumi Thailand Closet. And we'll see you guys after this hub-hub. Guys, welcome to today's episode. Welcome sa episode natin ngayong araw. Ayan, baka sabihin ninyo sa sobrang mukhang pera ko guys, wala akong panahon magpaganda. Hindi pwede ganyan guys. Kahit na single tayo, dapat medyo katanggap-tanggap naman yung ating itsura. So ngayon, meron pong bagong bukas na Himi. Merong babaliktad sa akin. Merong bagong bukas na salon dito sa Jensen, just opposite Fitmart. It's called Himi Salon and Spa. At ang ganda ng kanilang promotion. At dahil tayo ay mga budget mommies, dapat lagi tayong updated sa mga promo, guys. So ngayon, hindi tayo magpapahuli. Naka buy one get one sila. Ngayon, ang perfect na araw magpaganda para ma-avail natin yung buy one get one. So ngayon, kasama ko si Madam 10 Gibbs. Papunta na daw siya. And we are going to change our look. Kasi hindi naman natin ma-change yung face. Yung hair na lang i-change natin, guys. Okay, so tingnan nyo mamaya kung anong pagbabago ng ating mukha. Siyempre, abangan ninyo sa vlog na to. Antay-antay lang kayo guys ha. Kaya medyo baka abutin kami dito ng mga 10 hours sa dami na kailangang baguhin sa pagmukha namin. Alright guys, I'll see you on today's episode. Much love! Alright guys, so basically yung Himi Salon and Spa, hindi naman siya masyadong malaki. It can accommodate like 3-4 clients and more. I believe around 10 or 8 kasi meron din silang space sa likod for nails sa mga nagpapagawa ng nails, nagpapagawa ng kanilang mga pilik mata. At dito sa hair and mga hair works, merong 3 seats. So it's not bad. Once again, hindi po madaling maghanap ng salon na you can trust your hair with. So, like I said, first time namin dito sa Hime Salon and Spa. And it turns out na yung owner pala ng salon na to is also a viewer of my vlog. So, I'm so happy. Dagang salamat, ma'am, sa pag-love back sa ako ang vlog. Ayun. O, diba? Shout out kay Ma'am Princess dyan and sa lahat ng staff ng Hime Salon and Spa. So, sisimulan na natin ang ating hair. Ang gagawin ko ay hair color, very light brown, pinaka-light, na parang tayong kunin ni Lord. At saka, kailangan ko din ng hair treatment kasi buy one get one, kaya goods. Saka patanggal na natin itong mga extension natin, guys, kasi I want bare nails. Ayan. So, ngayon, time check natin is, I believe, around 2 p.m. So, titingnan natin anong oras tayo makakauwi mamaya. You're still awake? Sleep na. Your brother is already sleeping. Good night, love. Love you. See you tomorrow, okay? Hug your mom. This is my pillow for the living room. Good night.